Hi guys, welcome back to Online Word YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to predicting or analyzing the price of the Dogecoin. You can pronounce it as a Doge or doggy or dog, whatever it may be, but in this video we are going to predicting or analyzing the price of this coin. Okay, so if you are not subscribed our channel yet, then you can hit a subscribe button and also bell icon, so you can get notification of our next videos. Okay, so you will get earning videos as well as these marketing videos. Okay, so by hitting the subscribe button we can start this video. So as you can see here, we have a Dogecoin here. Okay, so the price of this coin was 20 something 20 rupees on last 2 weeks. Okay, so if you have observed, you have an idea about crypto market. If you have observed that it was 20 rupees in the last 2 weeks, but now it is 56 rupees. There was a huge reasons or strong reasons for the hike of this price. Okay, so now we are going to discuss about those price determining elements, as well as we are going to analyze what may be the price in next 2 or 3 weeks. Okay, so now as of now we have 56 rupees. As you can see here, there is a huge increase in price. As you can see here, we have 44 rupees yesterday. Now it is a 56 rupees. There is a drastic increase in Dogecoin price. So what may be the reasons for this price hike? Okay, so we have huge reasons for that. Okay, as you can see here, before going into the reasons, I'll just explain how the price will go up. Okay, so as you can see here, there was a 30 rupees on May 2nd. Now it is May 4. There is a lot of increase in price. Okay, as you can see here, from 30 to 56 rupees, there is a huge increase of Dogecoin price. As you can see here, there is a 60%. There will be 60, so sorry, there is a 60% of hike in this price of this coin. Okay, so how it was increased from 20 to 56 and now going on increasing. Okay, so there is a huge reason behind this hike. So we discussed those things. So I have to know about that. If price of any cryptocurrency is increasing, that mainly depends upon supply and demand. If the supply is more, then price will automatically decreases. If demand for that coin is more, then automatically price will increases. As you can see here, there is a order. Okay, as you can see here, this is called demand. That means buy means there is a huge demand on that particular coin. If sell volume is more, then there will be huge supply of that coin, particular coin. Okay, so as you can see here, there is instantly changing the volume of purchase and sale. As you can see here, almost the purchasing, that means demand of that particular Dogecoin is more. As you can constantly just observe for 2 to 3 minutes, you can easily understand that. Okay, so there is a huge demand for this coin, so price is increasing. Why the demand was increased means we have a particular reasons for that. Okay, so you may know about Elon Musk. Is a person behind SpaceX, okay, and Tesla. So he was a person who tweeted regarding Dogecoin on last month. Okay, so from the last month itself, it is increasing from the 4 rupees to 56 rupees. So I'll show one of his tweet. So as you can see here, Elon Musk, you can follow him on Twitter. Okay, so as you can see here, Elon Musk on 6 days before 6 days, he was tweeted as doggy father SNL May 8th. So there was an event called SNL on May 8th. So he's going to host that particular program, and he was tweeted that there is a dog father. There is nothing. There is only one word, dog father. And as you can see, observe here the 444k likes as well as 86k retweets for this particular tweet. So for the reason of reason behind the hike of this Doge price is particularly this one. Okay, he has tweeted that a dog will be into the moon. That means price is increased very quickly, so that most of the buyers, what they did means they go and purchase the large volumes of Dogecoin. so that will automatically increase the demand for that particular coin, so the price is going up and up. Okay, so this is the main reason behind the Dogecoin price increasing. So we are come back with another coin. So if you have money, still you have an idea or you have an hope for the making money, so you can easily buy the coin. So now itself, so it may go up to $1 or $2 in next 1 or 2 months. Okay, so I don't know why he is supporting this Dogecoin particularly, but is constantly supporting or quitting regarding Dogecoin from last month. So price is going high and high. So this is about Dogecoin. Now for this video we are just discussing about only regarding Dogecoin price. So if you have any doubts, you can easily come to me in the Telegram channel, so where you can get the suggestions regarding the different particular coins for the profit purpose. Okay, so if you have any doubts, you can contact me there. So the last but not least, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, just for subscribe, hit a subscribe button as well as bell icon to get notification of further videos, so that you can easily understand what the crypto as and what the market is going. Okay, so don't miss that. Okay, I'll meet in the next video. So until then, keep earning.